cannot pedal through it. I simply cannot pedal through it. Every day I burn quota like my life depends on it. So why are the tokens still not running out? Turns out, the quota reset again. Bad weather today. Reset the quota, bad mood tomorrow. Reset the quota, I am used to being poor. So it feels like going to a buffet and having to leave while leaning against the wall. I spent over $200, and if I cannot pedal through the model quota, it feels like I am losing money, so I just want to use up every last bit of it. But getting to experience that kind of satisfaction, even once, is really too hard. Thinking back to when I used Cursor, tokens were never enough. Every single day I was nervous and afraid. That was truly painful. After switching to Codex, at first I only dared to use GPT 5.3. After a few days, I realized, why is this thing so durable? Then I got braver. Even the casual hello was GPT 5.5 Ultra High mode. Later, I discovered that even with GPT 5.5 Ultra High mode, I still could not pedal through it. OpenAI, do you even know how to do business? They say that to fully pedal through a $200 GPT 5.5 membership, you would have to consume the equivalent of $7,500 in token fees. Personally, I think this $200 is truly the most valuable investment in technological equality. After all, Fable 5 is only a side affair. For day-to-day life, value for money still depends on GPT. My sincere advice, treat yourself to something good, and you will discover a new world.